In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error 1001. If you're seeing Outlook error 1001, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective things to try, starting with the easiest options first. The goal is to refresh Outlook, clear any temporary issues, and help you sign back in successfully. To begin, open Outlook and check whether the error appears right away or when you try to sign in. This helps confirm that you're dealing with the same issue before making any changes. If the error is still there, the first thing to do is restart your computer. A full restart can clear temporary glitches, background processes, or connection problems that may be interfering with Outlook. Once your computer turns back on, open Outlook again and see if the issue has been resolved. If restarting doesn't fix it, the next step is to sign out of your account and then sign back in again. This refreshes your session and can resolve account authentication problems that sometimes trigger error 1001. Take your time with this step and make sure you sign out completely before logging back in. After signing back in, check Outlook again to see if everything is working normally. If you're still having problems, the next fix involves your web browser. Open your browser and click the three dots, usually located in the upper right corner. From there, click Settings. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. In that section, look for the option called Delete Browsing Data. When you clear browsing data, you remove temporary files, cookies, and cached information that may be causing sign-in conflicts with Outlook or Microsoft services. This is especially helpful if Outlook is relying on browser-based sign-in or saved session data. Go ahead and delete the browsing data, then close the browser completely. After that, try to log in again. Open Outlook and sign in once more to check whether the error has gone away. In many cases, clearing the browser data helps reset the connection between your account and Microsoft's login services. These steps are simple, but they often solve Outlook error 1001 without needing advanced troubleshooting. Start by opening Outlook, restart your computer, sign out and back in, and if needed, clear your browser's browsing data before trying again. Follow them in order, and you'll give yourself the best chance of fixing the issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Outlook working again.